Wagwan, me little Julius. So, I've been asked to try and do some closed mouth burps. I've never even attempted a closed mouth burp in my life. I don't even know how this is going to work. I don't even know if it will work. I don't really know. But we're going to give it a go. Okay, so I imagine a closed mouth burp is a burp with a closed mouth. So that's what I'm going to do. That's fucking weird, man. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's weird. It blows your mouth open. God, he's fucked up. Okay. Oh no, I got some trapped. Oh god. That's disgusting because that's just like burp air that comes out at the end. This is shit, man. Oh. Oh. I don't see how this is appealing. Is this what you wanted? Closed mouth burps. Oh shit. It's fucking hard work. Oh. This is crap. I'd much rather be going. That's so much better. Oh shit. One more. That's fucked. That's weird, man. I don't like it. I ain't doing that anymore. Bag of shit.